So this is our DIY 3-point hitch hooked to the DIY 3-point drawbar, and I'm going to try skidding this tire. It weighs about 180 pounds. I've weighed it, and it'll lift this side, which will be about 90 pounds. This part was already there. This part was to a garage door, and then it hooks to this frame made out of bed frame. This was to a garage door. This is bed frame, and this is bed frame, and that hooks to a turnbuckle, which is the top link. These can't move in and out like a typical 3-point hitch can, but it does work. And this is the drawbar. There are many holes for towing drawbar, DIY bracket, which I haven't made yet, for tow ball. And this is a U-bolt, which is bolted onto here. And then you can hook stuff to that, and this will pull and lift smaller things. Testing the drawbar by skidding the tire. The tire skidding test was successful. I plan to use this and to make a finish mower that goes on here from an old riding mower.
I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.